Samsung is facing issues with the launch of Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to launch on 9th of Feb 2022 and we got some news about the Galaxy S22 Ultra heating issues as well, and some delays for the S22 lineup to hit the stores on time. Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to launch on 9th of Feb 10 AM Eastern Time and will go on stores on 25th of Feb. But according to the latest leaks and news from John Prosser, Samsung is facing issues with the supply chain with the Galaxy S22 lineup, where now we can see S22 Ultra in stores on 25th of Feb, but Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus will push to the market later on March 11, 2022. As we already have news about Samsung is facing issues with parts supply, and that is why Samsung is pushing Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to more markets than the Exynos 2200. But you can reserve the Galaxy S22 Ultra from going on Samsung's official website and get $50 credit. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which model you will pick from the S22 lineup. Now, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra powers either Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200, but most concerns for the people is heating issues. According to a leaker, Ishan on Twitter said, Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200 heats up on games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile. Samsung is pushing Exynos 2200 as a gaming processor, and I have already addressed this issue that how well will Samsung manage the heating issues with the Exynos 2200. Even though not everyone is a gamer, so if Exynos 2200 not get heat up in daily usage, then it's okay, because these games really need some juice to work better on your phone. He also talked about night photography as Samsung bring new improvements in its night photography already stated by TM Brew. The charging speed for the S22 Ultra is around 45 to 50 minutes with the 45 watt of fast charging, but sad news for people who are willing to buy the Galaxy S22 because S22 will only power up 25 watt of fast charging, not 45. Now, Samsung is working with the third-party apps like Snapchat to work better on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and Netflix also include Exynos 2200 in supported processor for HD stream. Let's see how well this will go, and we hope that Samsung fix this issue with supply chain because Samsung may face these issues in this year. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which model you will pick from Galaxy S22 lineup. I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.